Hey everybody, it's Jodi. I am here to tell you all about my brand new Sincerely Noted card class in the mail. So the star of the show on these cards are they're called ephemera. It might be an unfamiliar or a little bit of an odd word, but these little labels are they're part of an ephemera pack. And what's great about them is that they're sturdy. So I'm just gonna pop it out a little bit. You can hear it, like it's sturdy, it's not flimsy. And on some of the cards, I just put Stampin Dimensionals on the back and raise that up. But what's cool is if you do want to attach it, it's a sticker. So you just peel off the backing and set it right down on your project. So your card class in the mail is going to have 3 sheets of different greetings. There's some fun colors and just a great variety. Wishing you the very best. There's sympathy, birthday, thank you, friend, congratulations. Like this really hits pretty much all the occasions. So you're going to get a sheet of each of these. You're going to get 20 note cards and envelopes, and that's some of what you're seeing here. And of course, there's the envelopes to go with them. You're going to get a sheet of dimensionals. You're going to get, like you can see, there's some different cardstock, and some of them, where's one? Like this one has some ribbon on it. So you're going to get all of those supplies that you need. And then every single one of the cards also has some of these pearls of beauty embellishments. So I used all 3 colors on different cards. So you'll use a lot of these, but you'll have a ton left over too. So what I thought was fun about these cards is that, first of all, if I didn't already say, I used every single one of these pieces on these 20 cards, and some of them I modified a little bit. So I cut some things or adjusted or layered them in unique ways. So this card class, I'm going to just try to pull down and get everything in camera at least a little bit. I don't know how easily I'll be able to do that, but just so you get a little glimpse of all of the cards. There's 20 different cards and they're each a unique design. So it's not like 20 cards and like, oh, it's the exact same layout, but different papers. Like there are 20 different layout designs on these cards. And it's great because it's a perfect summer class. There isn't stamping. So all of these ephemera pieces, those are the focal point. There's gorgeous designer papers in the background, but there's no stamping at all. And that makes it really great for summer crafting because you can take this kit or class with you camping. Or if you just want to sit outside and get some sun, you can do these really easily. All you need is the supplies that come in the class and some additional adhesive. All of these designer paper pieces will be cut to size for you. So literally you're just gonna open up your kit and you're gonna be able to get going right away. This is also a really great gift idea. If you have somebody who has considered making cards but is kind of overwhelmed by what tools do I need, what stamps, what ink, literally the only thing in addition to what this class includes is that adhesive. And you're using a lot of dimensionals, which are also included. So it makes a great gift. It's great for beginner crafters. And it's just really a lot of fun with all of the different all occasion cards. So registration is open and it will be open until June 30th. June 30th is the deadline and the classes will ship by July 10th, if not earlier, but by July 10th for sure. So another great thing before I wrap up is that this is obviously a card class, but it's almost like a little designer paper sampler. There are, what did I count? I think 7 different packages of designer papers that I used on these cards. So it's a great way to get a sampling of just quite a variety of our current designer papers. So I absolutely love this class. I'm so excited to offer it. Go ahead and look in the link or comments here, rather, description for a link to the registration. If you have any questions, reach out, but I think you're going to absolutely love making these quick and creative cards with the awesome Ephemera Pack and the gorgeous variety of designer papers. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.